If your marker lights are dried or cracked, it's definitely time to replace them. Not only will it look better, but you'll be conforming to DOT compliancy. You'll be happy you chose us as your premium supplier. And Dennis, and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at our 1978 to 87 El Camino clear rear side marker assemblies. These Resto Parts reproduction marker lights are manufactured to factory specifications for an exact fit and finish on the rear of your vehicle. Each marker is manufactured from an injection molded plastic housing and lens for a genuine appearance. The clear lens assembly features a white plastic backing, correct receiver for the lamp socket, and a new clear lens. In addition, the housing features the proper mounting holes for a smooth installation. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com.
Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.